Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, I basically did some root excavation on these Mahashanook mango that I planted in a pot back in 2013 or 14. So it looks good, but I actually started doing some more excavation because I wasn't able to get to the root flares. So here you see that I actually excavated a couple, like four or five more bowls of these soil from this pot here. So you can see I still haven't gone to the root flare yet. So I'm trying to get to the root flare, but I can see basically, you see this root here, you see so actually this root was right over here. It was like this. Okay, so I actually removed it. Oh, actually cut it. So trying to straighten it back up. So what happened is that I think the soil, it was like all the way up here. I topsoiled it, and what happened, over time is, plants, when they basically will sink towards the bottom of the pot. So, and then what I did was I kept adding soil over on top, or nutrients and stuff like that. Anyway, I've did some more digging, and here you see this is another good one. It's basically causing you see the tension right there. So basically there's the circling roots here, and it's let me see if I can zoom it in and see. This is a root. Let me see the tension here. So if I don't do anything like this over time, it's gonna basically strangle the root collar. So it's like a human being, right? If someone is choking your throat, and then basically this is what's gonna happen. Like, no matter how much fertilizer I give this plant, it's not gonna do well because it's not gonna be able to consume it because someone is choking his throat. So here's another strand of here root. This one is also causing tension right here. See that? So is out of place. So it's just basically circling it. So what I'm gonna do is with this one, I'm just gonna see if I can just cut it. I'll just cut it off because it's not in the right place. See, it's causing tension. So yeah, so this is basically, we need to pay attention. It's just not mango, any trees, over time, when you have mulch built up around the base of the tree, it's going to try to, the roots is basically trying to grow around in a circle, which end up killing the tree. Okay, so I'm going to do some more digging. And this one here, I'm just going to see if I can pull it out. See this? See if I can pull it out of the soil. Oh, there you go. I pop it. Okay, so I'm gonna do some more digging. So I guess this is where because I was watering it, and this is the watermark. So this is where the soil is. So it was here initially when I planted, it was like the soil was all the way up here. Right here, top of the pot. Now soil is right here. So it receded. The soil had receded this much. Almost 10 years, I guess, the tree in this pot. And you can see there's roots here too. You see this root sticking out. All right, so I've actually did some more digging. I was able to find a couple more of roots that are circling around the trunk. So the one on the top right there, it's I think that's a root that's fused into the trunk and is wrapped around to the other side. So I have to figure out how to remove that because it's fused into it. And then the other one right there, I'm gonna snip it off because it's basically gonna girdle the trunk. So let me grab my scissor. Let's see, right here, that one. There you go. See, it's wrapped around. So basically, I don't want this root to be wrapping around it. See, eventually what happened is that it's gonna strangle the root color. So basically, you know, this is due to my years of over mulching. So that's probably one of the reasons why I'm getting a branch dieback here and right here too. See, that's a branch dieback right here. So quite a bit of branch dieback on this tree. See, like this one too. So I do also need to repot it as well because it's been in this pot for like 10 years.